Hello everyone and welcome back to AI News Connect. I'm Marvin, bringing you the latest and most crucial updates from the fast-paced world of artificial intelligence. Today is May 11th, 2025, and we have some remarkable breakthroughs and discussions to cover from just this week. Whether you're an AI enthusiast, a professional working in tech, or just curious about how AI is transforming our world, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the exciting new advancements from IBM announced at their annual Think event just days ago. IBM is accelerating what they're calling the Enterprise Gen AI Revolution by delivering a suite of hybrid capabilities designed specifically to help large organizations scale AI more securely and efficiently than ever before. At the heart of this announcement is the introduction of IBM LinuxONE5. This is their most secure and performant Linux platform yet, capable of processing an astonishing 450 billion AI inference operations per day. That kind of capacity is a huge leap for high-volume generative AI applications and heavy transactional workloads. For anyone wondering, generative AI models are the ones behind everything from chatbots to content creation, and these require massive processing power and ironclad security to operate at an enterprise scale. What's truly groundbreaking about the LinuxONE5 platform is the integration of IBM's state-of-the-art AI accelerators, including the TLM2 on-chip AI processor and the upcoming IBM Spire accelerator, which will be available by the end of 2025. These innovations mean companies no longer have to compromise on either security or speed. In fact, by moving cloud-native containerized workloads from conventional solutions to LinuxONE5, businesses can save up to 44% on their total cost of ownership over 5 years. An important consideration as more organizations look to manage costs while boosting their AI capabilities. Security remains front and center in IBM's vision. LinuxONE5 features advanced security options with confidential containers, giving companies more control over their data privacy. Even more intriguing is the integration of quantum-safe encryption technology, a feature designed to defend against future quantum-enabled cyber attacks, a growing concern as quantum computing rapidly advances. Between cost savings, performance, and next-level security, this announcement signals IBM's commitment to keeping enterprises ahead of the curve as AI adoption explodes across industries. But that's not all that's been making waves this week. Let's look at how the AI ecosystem is evolving on the global stage. On May 16th, the United Nations convened a special meeting dedicated to artificial intelligence in New York City. This gathering brought together UN member states, private sector leaders, and innovators, focusing on how AI can be leveraged to advance sustainable development, particularly in the global south. Discussion centered on the immense potential for AI to accelerate progress toward the UN's Sustainable Development Goals through strategic investments and international cooperation. The meeting highlighted not only the need to close digital divides between nations, but also emphasized the importance of safeguarding fundamental rights as technologies mature. Key takeaways included a renewed emphasis on data capacity development, equitable partnerships, and thoughtful governance in deploying AI for social good. And in the world of consumer tech, Apple rolled out new AI-driven features across its devices just this month. From iPhones to Macs, users are seeing smarter predictive text, more powerful AI photo editing, and intelligent health tools. These upgrades underscore how AI is becoming embedded in everyday technology, not just in corporate or research environments, but also right in our pockets and on our work desks. Meanwhile, Google's AI breakthroughs are pushing the medical field forward with the unveiling of AMI, their AI-powered medical imaging assistant. AMI can now interpret complex medical images like X-rays and MRI scans, automatically flagging abnormalities and potentially speeding up diagnoses for clinicians everywhere. As a result, AI's direct impact on healthcare outcomes is moving from concept to clinical reality. On the business side, a recent study found that the manufacturing sector is experiencing a significant uptick in AI adoption for optimizing production, enhancing quality control, and improving overall supply chain management. These advances drive efficiency and competitiveness, making AI an essential tool for industry leaders who wish to stay ahead in an increasingly digital marketplace. Finally, let's address an ongoing issue. As the role of AI rapidly expands, so too do questions around ethics, data privacy, and governance. A virtual roundtable held this weekend by Ethisphere and major industry leaders dove deep into the risks and opportunities of deploying generative AI in compliance and day-to-day business use. They discussed best practices for AI governance and how companies can proactively manage risks, whether building proprietary models or relying on external platforms. So, as we move further into 2025, it's clear that artificial intelligence continues to be the driving force behind innovation, business transformation, and societal change. From the boardroom and the factory floor to our phones and our healthcare systems, AI's influence is shaping the future right before our eyes. That's all for today's update on AI News Connect. If you enjoyed this coverage and want to stay on top of the latest breakthroughs and debates in the world of artificial intelligence, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another upload. And don't forget to share this video with anyone who wants to keep up with the future of technology. I'm Marvin, and I'll see you next time with more AI news, insights, and analysis. Thanks for watching.